Mineral baths have been popular for hundreds of years as they can provide soothing relief for several types of health conditions. Containing trace minerals, including magnesium, Himalayan salt also releases unique ionic energy into your body when it's mixed with water. Aside from the overall feeling of relaxation, Himalayan salt baths have been used to treat many afflictions by delivering minerals to the body through skin absorption. Himalayan baths are used to treat eczema, acne, and even psoriasis. It detoxifies and recharges the body, reduces muscle cramps, promotes better skin hydration and weight loss, as well as known to aid hormonal balancing. Before you bathe, use filtered water to rinse your body. Then use warm, not hot water to fill your tub and add 1 to 2 cups of Himalayan salt. Then simply relax and enjoy your bath for up to 30 minutes. Repeat this process once a week to reduce stress and detoxify your mind and body.